Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you just joining me, my name is Caroline Vazana and I am a fashion and beauty influencer from New York City and the founder and author of Making It in Manhattan. Today I am very casual, no makeup on, and I am here to do my very first PR unboxing here on YouTube. Usually on my Instagram I do this fun segment called What's on My Desk Wednesday, and I'm thinking of bringing it here to YouTube, so let's try it out. You can see I have tons of boxes here around me and I'm gonna just show you guys what I got.